Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best radio harness is probably one of the most important yet often overlooked components in various industries, ensuring seamless communication and reliable signal transmission for optimal performance. In this video, we will delve into the key factors to consider when selecting a radio harness, examining its construction, durability, compatibility, and overall value to help you make an informed decision for your specific needs. Number 5. Scosche GM02B Harness. Installing a new car stereo can be a challenge, but it doesn't have to be. This harness makes the process simple and easy. It's designed to work with select GM vehicles from 1986 to 2005. It connects your new aftermarket radio to your car's existing wiring harness. Double-check the fit guide to ensure compatibility with your vehicle's trim level. It's not compatible with factory amplified systems. This harness simplifies the installation process. You can replace your factory radio without cutting any wires. It's made with high-quality materials for a secure and long-lasting connection. Enjoy reliable performance for years to come. The color-coded wires and pre-terminated connectors make installation a breeze. Everything is clearly labeled for easy identification. It comes with Scosche's limited lifetime warranty and tech support. You can trust in the quality and reliability of this product. What we like. It boasts an effortless installation process, thanks to its color-coded wires. This makes it perfect for DIY enthusiasts. If you're looking for a hassle-free upgrade for your older GM vehicle, this is the one for you. What people say. Wiring exactly matched my new radio. Plug and play with my S10 pickup. Made the whole install an easy, flawless success. Fit perfectly as an adapter and all the wire ends were pre-cut so you can slide a decent-sized piece off to expose the wires. Worked great, I just had to solder it with the aftermarket radio's provided harness and then everything was plug and play. The connector's plastic felt solid, and the connection to the truck's harness felt secure. Number 4. Scosche FD16B Harness. Want to install a new aftermarket car stereo? This harness makes it easy. It's compatible with many Ford, Lincoln, Mazda, Mercury, and Nissan vehicles. It connects your new radio to your car's existing wiring. No cutting or splicing required for a clean, professional installation. Double-check the compatibility guide to ensure it fits your vehicle. It's designed for non-amplified systems from 1998 to 2011. This harness simplifies the process. Just plug and play, saving you time and frustration. Built with high-quality materials for a reliable and long-lasting connection. Enjoy worry-free performance. It uses EIA color-coded wires for easy identification and installation. Everything is clearly labeled. Scosche is a name you can trust. It comes with a limited lifetime warranty and tech support. What we like. This harness is designed for quick and easy installation, ensuring a perfect fit for your vehicle. It's a reliable choice backed by a trusted brand. If you value a seamless and worry-free installation, this is the ideal option for you. What people say. It worked like a champ. I was thrilled how easy it made the installation. These are a must-have for a cleaner and easier installation. The wire colors are standardized so they match up to the wire colors of the head unit. Easy peasy. Great quality and fits into stock wiring plug with a solid retaining tab. Common vehicle wire color coding. Excellent product. Number 3. Scosche HA10B Radio Harness. Installing a new aftermarket radio can be a hassle, but it doesn't have to be. This harness makes it easy to connect your new stereo to your car's factory wiring, saving you time and frustration. Before you buy, double-check the fit guide to ensure it's compatible with your vehicle. It's designed for specific Acura and Honda models, and some trim levels may not be compatible. With its industry-standard color-coded wires, installation is a breeze. No cutting or splicing of factory wires is needed, making it a simple plug-and-play process. It's built to last using high-quality materials, ensuring a reliable connection for years to come. You can trust it to provide a safe and secure connection for your new radio. It meets industry standards with color-coded wires for easy identification and is backed by Scosche limited lifetime warranty and tech support. You're getting a quality product from a trusted brand. What we like. It simplifies the installation process, ensuring a precise fit for your Acura or Honda. Its compatibility with various models makes it a versatile choice. If you need a straightforward solution for your Acura or Honda, this is the one to choose. What people say. Fit a 08 Honda Fit connector perfectly and so far has performed as it should. One thing to note with the Honda Fit, tie in the blue wire on the antenna adapter to the blue amp wire on the harness or the radio reception will be horrible. Yes, installing a new radio and wiring is challenging. However, if you want to take this project upon yourself, this harness makes it so much easier. Perfectly color-coded and brings even a chart for wire matching to your radio harness. Direct plug and play to your factory harness. This adapter uses internationally recognized cable color codes which match the color codes on the Sony receiver I installed and therefore easy to match up. Once the adapter cables were connected to the receiver cables, it was just a matter of plugging the factory harness terminal into this adapter as well as the supplied antenna adapter. All worked out well. Number 2. Scosche HA08B wiring harness. This harness makes replacing your factory radio a breeze. It's designed for easy installation, so you can enjoy your new aftermarket stereo quickly. It fits select 1998 to 2011 Acura and Honda models. Check the list to see if yours is compatible. No wire cutting needed. It uses industry standard color-coded wires for a straightforward installation process. It's small and lightweight, fitting perfectly behind your stereo without interfering with other components. It's built to last with high-quality materials. For vehicles with Bose sound systems, you'll need the Scosche SLC4 interface, sold separately, to use this harness. It's designed for a perfect fit, ensuring seamless integration with your car's system. Enjoy a worry-free upgrade. It's backed by Scosche's lifetime tech support and limited lifetime warranty, giving you peace of mind. What we like. This harness is compact and easy to install, while still maintaining superior quality. It's designed to fit perfectly without taking up extra space. If you prioritize a space-saving and high-quality solution, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Was a little tight but snapped together just like it was supposed to. Worked very well with the radio that I bought. Got it from my 06 Honda Element and clicked right in no problem to the original one built in. A great solution for aftermarket radio replacement with great value. Perfect fit for 2005 Honda Civic. The white part connects with your car's original harness, while the wires get connected soldered to your new car stereo wires. Read the back of its package for a wire color coding chart. Number 1. Scosche TA02BCB stereo harness. This wire harness makes upgrading your car stereo a breeze. It simplifies installation, letting you connect your new aftermarket radio without cutting any wires. It's compatible with a wide range of vehicles, from 1987 to 2021 models. Check the list to see if yours is included. This harness works with various makes and models, including Geo, Lexus, Toyota, Scion, Subaru, and more. Check the compatibility list for your specific vehicle. Installation is simple and straightforward. It uses your existing wiring and connectors, saving you time and effort. It's built to last with high-quality materials and industry-standard color-coded wires. Enjoy long-term reliable performance. This harness is designed for a perfect fit, ensuring a seamless integration with your car's system. Enjoy a clean, professional installation. Backed by Scosche's limited lifetime warranty and tech support, you can trust in its quality and reliability. Scosche is a brand you can depend on. What we like. It offers a straightforward installation process and is built with high-quality materials for lasting performance. Its broad compatibility makes it suitable for various vehicles. If you need a durable and versatile solution, this is the one for you. What people say. The wires were able to connect easily, and the functionality and quality overall were very good. Cables are well labeled, fitting is perfect. All you have to do is splice this harness to your stereos and that's it. Easily plugs into factory harness. No issues whatsoever. This product saves time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.